This is a 1-scoop order for Malia. She loves Hangyodon and the colors purple and pink. One canvas bag. One notebook. Plus 2 more. One file folder. Plus 1 more. One pen. Plus 1 more. 2 erasers. Plus this blind bag eraser. 1 tape. I'm so glad this comes in her favorite color. Let's do the pink one too. One memo pad. Plus 1 more. 1 plush charm. One beaded charm. Let's add this new little Miffy one. 1 plush pencil bag. Two stickers. Plus 2 more. One pencil case. One hand towel. One comb. Let's exchange it for this plush keychain. One bracelet. Let's exchange it for this cute plush keychain. One pin badge. This one is my favorite. One acrylic clip. Let's add 3 more. Okay, Malia, that's everything for your order. I loved putting this one together because Hangyodon is my favorite. I hope you love everything too. Thank you so much.